What is up, guys? Welcome back. It is super incredibly late. I got a way later start on this than I was really hoping to. So I think I'm gonna have to finish this tomorrow after work, unfortunately, but we got a pretty good start on it already. But before I get too much further into disassembling the car, let's go ahead and take a look at what came in. I don't know if anybody can take a guess. If you can, comment it down below and see if you're right for what I picked up. Yep, if anybody guessed it, giant wang. So what I got here is a 66-inch gooseneck wing from Aero, and it's a chassis mount. And I opted just to go for the fiberglass reinforced, just because it wasn't that much more for the carbon fiber one, but I didn't want to wait an extra 3 to 4 weeks for it to show up, even though this did come super quick. I think from the time I ordered, from the time it delivered, it was exactly like 3 weeks. So I mean, I guess I could have waited another 3 weeks for carbon fiber, but I was super impatient, and I don't really have a garage for the car at the moment, so I don't want to deal with having to take care of that carbon fiber wing. Maybe in the future we can switch out the deck or something, I don't know, but this thing's super nice. It smells like it was just painted. Here's the main piece. This will replace your rear crash bar. So this is what's going to mount to your frame, and everything mounts off this. So this is what we're going to try to get in today. Should say tonight. So you can see we've already taken the bumper off. It's over there. Broke a couple things getting it off, but oh well. Just a couple of tabs. So you're going to start by taking your headlight or your taillights out, and there'll be 3 10mm bolts, and these clips, which I don't know how you're supposed to get out. I ended up just popping them and they broke, but taillight will still be held in place with 3 bolts. So take those out. You'll have 110 under the fender right here, 110 in the very corner on the bottom. Then you'll have 5 pop tabs in the middle, which are the other 2 that I broke because I don't really know how. And then the super tricky one, I ended up just breaking this side. It's supposed to be an 8mm that you're just supposed to give a quarter turn, and it's supposed to release. One side worked, one side didn't. I don't know. So I just got frustrated and ended up breaking it. So whatever, I guess. It'll still be sturdy enough. And then disconnect both of your turn signals, and then in the middle you'll have this plug for your handle release. So once you get all those unplugged and undone, you just pull it out or pull it off and then set it out of the way. The next thing we're gonna do is take this foam off because we don't need it anymore. Throw that aside because it's now garbage, and then we gotta take off this crash bar. So let's go ahead and do that. I don't even know where to begin. It is now 4 months, I think, since my last video, and as you can see, missed it. As you can see, it's on. I don't know what happened with filming. I think I just got into a time crunch, wanted to get it done, and just completely spaced on finishing it. And then I just kind of got into a lull of not making videos anymore. So I'm trying to try to finish this now. So as you can see, we got the Aero swan neck on the car. Fits great. The width is perfect for the width of the stock body car. They do make one that's a touch bigger that I was thinking about switching out to, because I was thinking of switching to a wide body. But after the new setup, which I'll get you guys caught up on, there's a lot of stuff that I've done with this car in the last 4 months. We'll get caught up in the videos to come. But I think I'm still going to stay stock body. I'm really liking the fitment. I like the way it looks. But anyways, so here she is, all put together. I still have a couple things I need to finish, like this. I still just need to come back through and clean these cuts up, round out the tops, and just put some weather stripping. I have some weather stripping that's going to go around here. I switched out most of the hardware for black to make it look a little better. The all thread rod, I painted it like this metallic red. That way it didn't stand out as much. And then I also did the end plates on the inside to match. Red just kind of gave it a little subtlety, but all in all, really nice. So yeah, so there it is. Turn this back down here. So there it is. There's the Aero installed on the car. Sorry it's 4 months late, but I'm gonna get better. So like always, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.